Okay, so today's raining pretty good, but I just can't keep on not getting things done because of the rain. Well, I got my rain suit on and I'm just out here building as I usually do. So somebody had said they would like to hear this running, but with the air compressor it was too loud. So I had this air tank, and it has a real easy way of filling it up, just like you would fill up a tire. So I can use the compressor from my garage and just fill this up. As you can see, the dial going up. So it's easy for me to put some reserve air into a tank. I put a couple fittings on it. I wanted to regulate the air going to the well, it's steam engine, but anyhow, but I also wanted to shut off, and I wanted an easy disconnect, and so I had to find all these parts and stuff. I actually did use a shut off that came off this regulator. I didn't want that big regulator. I guess I had another one kicking around when I was looking for parts. So anyhow, let's get to it. We'll just turn it on and away it's going. So it looks like it's getting roughly, I don't know, around 12 psi. It has a leak right here. Well, looks like I'm gonna have to put some Teflon tape on that too. Seems like it's leaking right there too. But I hope you can hear it. Besides that leak. But yeah, it's running pretty good. It's still around, well, it's down to 20 now. And with the regulator I can increase. Well, I guess it's going down fairly fast. But anyhow, it's just pouring rain out here. I just got it going, so I just wanted to make a quick video. My camera's getting wet, everything's wet. I'm wet. It's the time to shut her down. I don't want to get this any wetter than I have it already. But yeah, it's a quick little video showing the operation again of it, and the setup that I made in order to just hear the engine. Cheers.